This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box. So this is the place for our device, and here what we can find, this is the USB Type-C cable. So this paper box with the SIM eject tool and some paperwork like the safety guides and the quick start guide and the just Apple sticker. So there are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Unfortunately, we have not here any adapters, just headphones or the cases. So if you want to use all of these accessories, you should buy them separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.